Okay, these are pretty cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these laundry detergent sheets. Yes, sheets. I'll explain in just a minute. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So these, as you can see, are laundry detergent sheets. So when you open up the box, you are going to see here, these are sheets. They are laundry detergent sheets. And basically, you're going to take these, so you can tear them in half. There's 300 loads total in here. You take one of these, tear it in half, so you just have the one piece, depending on the size of your load, of course. And then put your clothes in there, put the sheet in there, and this is going to dissolve in your washing machine. I'm going to show you an example of this in just a second. But before we do that, I did want to note, these are fragrance-free. Now, you're going to notice when you get these that they do have like a soapy type smell to them. They still have their natural smells from the soaps and things like that, but they don't have any additional fragrance added. So your clothes aren't going to have some weird additional fragrance added by using this, which is kind of nice. What I really like about these is look at how easy these are to travel with. You could throw a couple of those in a Ziploc bag, take them with you camping, take them with you to your hotels, and use these instead of having to carry around pods or laundry detergent. They're so small, they travel so well. But the real question is, do they work? Let's find out. So I have this dog blanket here, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty dirty. It's been used a lot of times. We throw this in the back of our vehicle when we ride around with the dogs, so it's covered in sand, dirt, mud, whatever this is, straw maybe, I don't know, some stains over there. So we are gonna go ahead, put this in the washer and give these a test. Now right here on the side of the box, it kind of gives you an instruction on how many sheets you should be using. So like I said, you can tear the sheets in half, which is this. This is a half sheet. So I tore one of the sheets in half, it's just a half a sheet because I'm doing a small load. Now, if you were doing a medium load, you can just use the one sheet, or you can use 2 sheets if you have a really large load. So as you start to use these, you'll kind of figure out how much you need for each of your own loads of laundry. So because this is a small load, we're gonna put in one little half sheet there. So that's gonna go right in there, and we're gonna go ahead and start this. I also wanna note, these are great for hand washing. So like I said, if you're camping and you have a bin and you need to wash a shirt or a blanket, you could use them for hand washing as well. But for now, into the washer it goes. We're gonna let this do its thing and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Moment of truth. Well, it looks clean. This is straw, if you could see that on there. That's actually straw. That'll come off in the dryer. That's not really dirt. But what I want to do is pull this out of here and see. Okay, I don't see the sheet. It looks like it completely dissolved. So let's dry this, see how clean it came. Washed and dried, and I think that came out really, really clean. Huh, that did a pretty good job. So in conclusion, these work great, and they were right. So this has like a soapy smell. This just smells clean. So it is fragrance free. They work really good. Great for traveling, great for RVing. We recommend these. These worked awesome.